Track storms to alert you first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
KIMT Storm Team 3 Chief Meteorologist Aaron White joins us now. Aaron, like you said, people better have that shovel and snow blower dusted off, ready to go.
Yeah, get ready. We got a lot of snow coming our way for tomorrow, and it's going to really come down to where you live, Amy. We're talking about some areas seeing a lot of snow and some areas maybe not seeing that much, especially closer to the Mississippi River. So you may need the shovel or you may want to consider that snow blower. So I would have just both on hand just in case, because we are tracking quite a bit of snow to move in. Right now, though, conditions aren't looking too bad. A bit more cloud cover than we had earlier today and even the last couple of days with all those mild temperatures. It felt great to see some of that snow melting, and now we're tracking more for the day tomorrow. But right now, 32 degrees in Mason City. We got 30 in downtown Rochester, and for the evening, we'll kind of hover right around the lower 30s, maybe dipping down to the upper 20s. Notice the wind has now shifted to the north, and that's going to pull in some colder air ahead of the storm system. That's going to allow for us to see quite a bit of snowfall, especially the further west you live. And starting off tomorrow morning, we're already going to start to see some snow showers arriving just after about sunrise, and these are going to be on the lighter side, temperatures right around 20, but the snow is going to start to increase become a bit more moderate as we go through the later afternoon hours and into the evening. So the bulk of the snow tomorrow is going to fall from about noon until midnight, and that's when we're going to start to see more of the travel problems throughout the day. Right now, though, we got a lot of cloud cover across the area. The system's still off to the north and west into parts of Canada around Alberta. This is what we call an Alberta clipper. It's just a very quick system that's going to be passing through, but there's going to be a lot of moisture with it. And so on the eastern side of the system, this is going to be the track right through the Dakotas into Nebraska. And on the eastern side, Iowa, Minnesota, that's where we're going to see a lot of the snow. So because of that, the National Weather Service has issued winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories. We got warnings for Mason City, Albert Lee, I-35, and to the west, but it does extend down towards Charles City and Osage, with the advisories further to the east, because that's where we're going to see some of the lighter snow accumulations, and also there's going to be a lot of drier air. That's going to have a huge impact on the overall snowfall totals. So there's going to be a very sharp cutoff in where we see the heavier snow as compared to the lighter amounts. And we'll see that here in the snowfall forecast in just a moment. But looking at Sky Tracker 3 for tonight into tomorrow morning, here we go. We've got snow arriving especially to the west of I-35, where we see some of those darker blues showing up there. That's going to continue through the day. Here we are by noontime, starting to see a bit more snow overspreading the entire area. We got light snow around Rochester, moderate to at times heavier snow further to the west where we have the winter storm warning. That's going to continue, but notice how we start to see a little bit drier air coming in from the north and east. You can see the wind arrows going towards the south and west. That's pushing drier air into the system, and that may actually cause the snow to taper off a little bit quicker. If that happens, that means we're going to see us on the lighter ends of the snowfall ranges as compared to the heavier side. So here's the latest snowfall forecast. We have made a few adjustments from this morning and even yesterday, pushing the heavier snow a little bit further to the west. Still keeping Mason City right around 4 to 6 inches, maybe up near 7 inches. The heavier snow again further to the west, lighter amounts the further east you go because of that drier air working in. And if we see drier air, it could be a situation where Rochester is around the 1 to 2 inch mark, and we're up to 4 to 5 inches in Austin. Very narrow gap between light snow and heavy snow. So just stay with KIMT News 3 for the latest updates as we continue through today and even into the day tomorrow. You can get updates with the KIMT weather app. It's free, and we'll be issuing updates as we go through the rest of today into the day on Friday. After tomorrow, we are tracking colder temperatures for your Saturday sunshine, though. 16 degrees, another chance of snow showers on Tuesday before, it gets a lot colder as we get into next week.